Hello everyone, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to share with you the basic concepts of PowerPoint. I am going to share how to add pictures, clip arts to your slides and also how to add animations and transitions. If you want to know 5 tips to get good marks in your exam, I will share the link in the description box below. I will also share the link of how to do map pointing and get good marks in that. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, we need to go to the start button. Now we need to find where Microsoft Office is and then go to Microsoft PowerPoint. Now here is the PowerPoint. I am using PowerPoint 2010 version. So now I am opening it. So now here after opening the PowerPoint, we can find the default slide. If a slide is not provided, go to new slide option and choose the slide whichever you want. Now I am starting to do my presentation. First I go to the design option and here I find out a design which I want to do. So now I want to do this design, that is couture. I am clicking on it and it's appearing on the screen. The topic on which I am doing the project is on Durga Puja. So I write here Durga Puja. Now I want to make this a bit larger. I'm going to the home option and then coming to the size option, font size, and making it 72. I'm also changing the font and making it Algerian. Now I'm adding a subtitle to it. I'm writing here a festival of togetherness. I want this to be a little bit small, so I am making it small. By going to the font size option, I am making it 16. So now I want to write something more in the subtitle option, so I am adjusting it and making it big. I want a little bit space here, so I am putting enter and then I am writing it. Now I am writing presented by Moinaki Paul. I want again this to be a little bit bigger, so I am going to the font size option and making it a little bit large. If you want to change the color, font color, then go to this option and change it to whichever color you want. I am making it dark brown. I am clicking on that option. If you want to change the color of the other text, then you have to take the same process and change the color. If you want, you can make this slide as your title slide. So now going to the next slide, we have to go to new slide option and I am choosing the title and content slide. Here comes another slide. So now I want to import a picture that I have in my desktop. So what will I do? I will click on this option, that insert picture from file. Now I am going to the place where my file is there. I'm opening that. I select a picture and then here comes the insert option and I click on it. The picture has come. So now to modify the picture, I want to make the edges soft. So what will I do? I right click on it and then comes the format picture option. I click on the format picture option and here there is glow and soft edges. I click on that. Here I can see soft edge is written, here the size is written, so I adjust the size. I think this much is okay, so I now click on the close option. You can see that the edges have become soft. So now if you want to make your picture big, you can adjust it like this, and wherever you want to place, you can place it. Another important thing is that I am taking you to another new slide. Here you can see this many options are coming, but in this slide you don't have that option now. So if you want to import 2 pictures or 3 pictures, then you have to import it at the same time. In this slide I am showing you how to import 2 pictures. Like the same way, you have to click on insert picture from file. Here the file is coming. Now I again select this picture and I press the Control button in the keyboard and select another picture, and now click on insert option. Now I have customized the picture as I have done it previously. You will get the same result. I have shown the outcome of that here. I am now going to show how to delete the slide. I am right clicking on the slide which I want to delete. Now here comes a delete slide option. I click on that and the slide gets deleted. So now here I am adding a title to it. You can add whatever title you want. Now I am going to show you how to put animation. So I go to the animation button, here is given. I click on that and this thing opens in the ribbon. First of all, I add the animation pane. Here comes the animation pane. Now I select the picture on which I want to put animation. Now I am going to add animation option here. I am clicking on it and now I am going to show you how to put animation. So here this is a type of animation, this is a type of animation, again coming down, this is a type of animation, and then again this is a type of animation, this is a type of animation. So for the entrance I am going to give this animation. I like it. I click on that option to give the animation. So here you can see this animation is added. See. Now I am going to give animation to my text. I select the text. Now I again go to add animation option and click on zoom. You can see it. So if I play it, see how it comes. If I want to make my picture appear later and my text to appear before, I adjust this. Now I am again playing it. See. Now I am going to show you how to add transitions. I go to the transition option and now let's see what options are there. I want to give this option. I click on that, flip. So this is how it comes. Now I am playing it again. Here the transition is not coming, only the animation is going to be played. Now I am going to show another feature. I am going to new slide option and adding a new slide. Here I am going to the clip art option. See, here it comes. I am clicking on it and the clip art pane appears. So now I search for something, for anything, like if I search for computer, the pictures of computer will come. Here I've already searched for flower. Now I'm clicking on this picture, it will appear here. See, it has appeared already. So now I'm customizing it. I'm putting a border, then going to picture effects and going to put a reflection, again going there and putting a glow to it, and going to bevel and putting this. You can customize it however you want to make it look like. Now to see the slideshow, I am clicking on the slideshow option. Now I am clicking on the from beginning option. See, here the slide comes. Now I am clicking on it and the next slide comes. I am again clicking and here comes the picture of Ma Durga. I am again clicking and this comes, picture of Ma Durga. I am again clicking to exit. See, here comes end of the slide, click to exit. I am again clicking on it. I have tried to show very small details in this video. I am also going to bring up another video on a PowerPoint related topic. If this video was helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If I have made any mistakes, please write that in the comment section below. And also, if you have any queries, write that in the comment section. I will try to respond to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.